Hey y'all, so watch me make my wreath. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, my name is Drika. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm most definitely who you need in your life. Alright y'all, so I gathered all of my supplies and most of the flowers came from Hobby Lobby and a couple came from Michael's. The 24-inch wreath came from Michael's as well, and the glue gun came from Walmart. So I started off with these pretty metallic leaves that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and they came in a bundle with 3 leaves in each bundle, so I decided to just separate them just to make more leaves to go around the wreath. And then I went ahead and cut each bundle of these that I had to make individuals just to have enough to go around the wreath. And after that, I go ahead and place the stems and leaves around the wreath just to see if it is how I want it before I glue it down. And I do this with everything. Yes, it may take a little extra time, but at least you can take the stems out, rearrange them how you want. So that's what I did. I placed the leaves down and then I took them out, and as you can see right here, I'm going back in with these little white flowers that I didn't like it for this wreath. Maybe another wreath, but not this one. So I just went ahead and placed all the flowers and leaves around the wreath, and this is how it was looking. Don't mind my little helper, but this is how it is looking. So I wanted to show y'all how these flowers look. The flowers were okay, but they just wasn't okay for what I was going for. So I decided to just go ahead and take all the flowers out, and this is what I mean by when I say you can see the vision. I seen that, okay, I didn't want these in there. At first I thought they would be cute, but I said, you know what, no. I went ahead and took them out, and then I started taking all the rest of them out because I kind of had an idea of, okay, now this is how I want them. So I started off with the metallic ones first, and how I did it, I placed one leaf in the inside, and I moved up and placed the next one in the middle, and I moved up and placed the next one on the outside. And I repeated this until all the flowers were placed on the wreath. And I did place garbage bags up under the wreath, y'all, just to catch all of the debris and everything that coming off of the stems. And y'all, this was the quickest cleanup ever. Alright, so this is how the wreath is looking before I added the pop of color. And I really liked it like this, but I really wanted like this burgundy pop of color that I've been eyeing for a minute, y'all. And yeah, these are the stems that I grabbed from Hobby Lobby, and I placed them in at first and then went ahead and took them out because I was like, do I like them or do I want to leave them out? So I just went ahead and said, you know what, let's just go with it. So I started placing the burgundy stems on the wreath, y'all, and let me just say I am in love. And I placed in the same way I placed all the rest of them, one going in the inside, one in the middle, and one on the outside. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish putting the pops of color in. And I want to know, do y'all make y'all own wreath or y'all just prefer to buy them? Now, I would say, to me, if you like being crafty like I do and you just like seeing your vision come to life, then yeah, make your own wreath. Is worth it, whatever. But if you're not and you just like think that it may be cheaper, now sometimes that's not the case depending on where you get your flowers and leaves and stuff from, and are they on sale. So for me, I wouldn't tell you, if you're not crafty like that, to go out and buy all the supplies and it will come out cheaper, because it probably won't. But anyway, y'all, this is how the wreath look on my door, and I really love it, y'all. I love it so much. My vision came to life. I did go back in and place more stems and leaves where I felt like it needed it. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.